$5,867. 5,867. And out of this 5,867, okay, first, who is that person? Aarti. Aarti's share is equal to 5,867 into 3 by 4. Can somebody tell me what will be this amount? Five eight six seven into 3 by 4. And Hima, is equal to 5,867 into 1 by 4. So first one is 4,400. Then next is, I think 1,867. Okay, 1,467. Yes. 1,467. So that should be written here. By Aarti's capital account, that is 4,400. By Hima's capital account, 1,467. Next is by revaluation account. Can somebody tell me what is the difference between 13,250 and 16,200? 13,250 and 16,200. 13,250 and 16,200. Okay, 2,950. 2,950 into 2 by 6. Can you tell me how much it will be? 2,950 into 2 by 6. $983. 983. Okay, so now, after all this, can you tell me what is the total of this side? That is credit side. Total of credit side. I think we have yet to give that interest on capital, we have not given. Yes, that is also pending. By interest on capital, which is 12,000 into, the rate is 10 by 100 into 2 by 12. Just check. It will be 200. Okay. Now, in order to tell you how we arrived at this 2,950 revaluation account, see, whenever there is a revaluation, the amount should get debited or credited to revaluation account. In the problem, the investment has been revalued and it has been revalued at, what is the amount? it is revalued at 16,200. So the profit should appear on credit side. So even that profit will come to the credit side of partners capital account as revaluation. That's why I have directly taken it as by revaluation. Okay, can somebody take total of this side? It's 26. I think somewhere we have done wrong in goodwill. We have done a mistake in while calculating goodwill. I need to correct it. थोड़ा और मैं आपको एक सवाल देता हूँ. Can you tell me what mistake we have done in goodwill, or what should be the exact amount of goodwill? Anyone? Okay, let me give you the clarity. Up to this, it is right. See, 7,333. Okay. The next is adjusted profit is equal to 7,333 minus 20%. It was 5,867. Okay. And after that, what they have said is goodwill is twice of this, that is 5,867 into 2. I think just check whether it is the word twice is mentioned there or not. Can you tell me what is 5,867 into 2? $11,734. Okay. Now, out of this 11,734, what is the retiring partner share? Who is retiring partner here? Bharti. Now I write Bharti's share is equal to 11,734 into 2 by 6. Can somebody tell me how much it will be? 3,911. 3,911. Okay, because you read the adjustment C, you can understand. It says her share of profit for the her share of goodwill to be calculated by taking it twice the amount of the average profit of the last 3 years less 20%, and the profit for the previous years they have given, and we have taken the same thing. Now, out of this, what is RT's share? $3,911 into 3 by 4. Just check what it will be. 3,911 into 3 by 4. That will be 2,933. The next is Hima's share. 3,911 into 1 by 4. It will be 978. 978. And the same to be mentioned here. Two nine 33. The next is 978. Now check the total. It is 24,427, and here also 24,427, and here we need to write to Bharti's executor account. $24,427. Now, you prepare one more account. First, you finish this. Now, only two transactions in executor account. That will be your homework. First, what you need to write is by Bharti's capital account this amount, that is 24,427, and then you write to Bharti's executor's loan account, that is 24,427. Total also same. Now, coming to the last problem, और last but one, देखेंगे जैसा टाइम होगा. Okay, when we repeat the Bharti's executor account, there will be only two transactions. The first one is by Bharti's capital account, that is 24,427, and on the debit side, two balance carried down, that is also 24,427, and the total of the account will also remain same. Now, coming to the next problem, that is Raja, Rani and Mantri are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. Their balance sheet as on 1st December 2017 is as follows. Okay. Now, creditors, reserve fund is useful, keep it in mind. Then capitals have been given. Then investment, but goodwill is given there, so that we need to take care. Then premises, patents, machinery, debentures, bank. Okay. Then Mantri dies on 1st May. 1st May means he has lived only for 1 month. Oh, sorry, not 1 month, 4 months. Because if you can see, the balance sheet date is 31st December, which means it is following calendar year. So we have to take totally 4 months. Then adjustment number 1, goodwill of the firm is to be valued at 2.5 times of the average profits of last 4 years. The profits they have given. Then the share of profit monthly should be calculated on the basis of previous year's profit, and 4,000 should be paid immediately, and the balance should be transferred to executor's loan account. Okay, let's start. First, put a heading, Mantri's capital account. Mantri's capital account. First, by balance brought down. By balance brought down. Mantri's capital is 20,000. Mantri's capital is 20,000. Next is by reserve fund account. The ratio is Mantri's is 2/10. So I should write 6,000 into 2/10. That is 1,200. Oh, sorry, 2/10. 2/10. It should be 1,200. Next is no other things are there. Then we need to calculate goodwill. So to calculate goodwill, what I will do is goodwill is equal to 13,000 plus 12,000. 13,000 plus 12,000 plus 16,000 plus 15,000 divided by 4 into 2.5 into 2.5. Just check how much it will be. 25, 31, 41, 46, 56 divided by 4, 14, 14 into, I think 35,000. Just check the calculation. I think it is 35. Oh, 45, 625. I think it is not. Divesh, once again you check, because I think 13 plus 12 is 25, 25 plus 16 is 41, 41 plus 15 is 56. Yes, it is 35,000. Okay. Now, out of this 30,000, whose share? Mantri's share. Mantri's share is equal to 35,000 into 2/10. That comes to 7,000. Then next is out of this monthly share, what is first? Who is that person? Raja. Raja's share is equal to 7,000 into 5/8. Can somebody tell me how much it will be? 7,000 into 5/8. 4,375. Next, Rani's share is equal to 7,000 into 3/5. Sorry, 3/8. How much it will be? 2,625. Okay, 2,625. 25. Now, but what I like to tell you is, now let me write it here. By Raja's capital account, by Rani's capital account, 4375 2625. 4375 2625. Then next is by profit and loss suspense account. This should be calculated on the basis of last year's profit, and the last year's profit was 15,000, and he lived only for 1 month. So that's why it should be multiplied with 1 by 12, and then multiplied with his share, that is 2 by 10. Can somebody tell me how much it will be? $250. Okay. 250. Next. Anything which is left, just see once. Oh, sorry, it is 4 months, sorry. It is 4 months. So you make it as, instead of 1 by 12, you make it as 4 by 12. Just check how much it will be if we make it as 4 by 12. It should be 1000. Okay, sorry. It should be 1000. So the calendar year problem. Now, can you take the total now? Total, please. It's 29,200. Okay. Here also it is 29,200. Okay. So 29,200. Now, what you need to write is 2. Monthly's executor account, that is also 29,200. 29,200. Next. So you got 29,200. After this, moving to the next account. ये पहले लिखो आप सब लोग. Actually, the problem solution is done as per that's what Mr. Shweta is asking about. Adjustment C that cannot be done in this account, that need to be done in executor account. That's why I kept it pending. So put a heading, that is Mantris executor account. Okay. Draw lines. 4 lines maximum. 4 lines maximum. So first you write by Mantris capital account 29,200. By Mantris capital account 29,200. And on the debit side you write to bank account 4,000. To bank account 4,000. And then next line you write to Mantris executor loan account. To Mantris executor loan account. That comes to 25,200. 25,200. Next, total also 29,200. Next, after this, ninth problem you have already solved, that I have given you as homework few days back. Now last problem in this chapter, that is 10th. Girish, Mahesh and Varun were sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 6:3:2. That's nothing but 6/11, 3/11 and 2/11 respectively. Their capitals on 1/4/2017 stood at 60, 30 and 20 respectively. On 31st April 2017, Varun died. Who has died? Varun. Who is Varun? Third partner with the capital of 20,000. The goodwill of the deceased partner share is, that means directly they have given 10,000, is 10,000 and the deceased partner share in accrued profit up to the date of death is 4,200. Directly that also they have given. Varun's commission is 600 per month. That means into 6 it will be 3,600. And his drawings up to the date of death amounted to rupees 8,000. That will be on the debit side, 2 drawings. And last is interest on capital at 10% per annum. That need to be calculated on his capital. That is 20,000 into 10% into 6 divided by 12. I think that will be 1,000 rupees. Now, can we start? First, put a heading, Varun's capital account. Heading likho, Varun's capital account. You draw it for some 10 to 12 lines you can draw. Hoping that you have drawn. I will start. First you write